Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kevin from hapayu, and today we're going to be unboxing the custom Leathercraft Suede Carpenter nail and tool bag and the Ergodyne Arsenal padded tool belt. We purchased these off of Amazon.com and it was delivered by UPS. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. Ripped a little bit. So let's just open right here and see how it looks. Nothing appears to be damaged. The tool belt. And the tool bag. The leather smell is not too overwhelming. It smells like any other leather product or suede product that you buy from the stores. Let's take a look at the tool belt. There you have it. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos of our various purchases. Thanks again for watching and take care.